Hello all, welcome to Kalam Learning YouTube channel. So in this video I want to discuss about the high demand jobs, or you can also tell us high demand skills after COVID-19 crisis, and what kind of sectors will be booming and what kind of sector will which sector will be in will be a sustainable model after COVID-19. So here we go. So the first thing is copywriting. So what is basically copywriting is you write some content or you create some video for, it might be for video content, it might be website content, technical content, it might be you might be working for ad advertisement, ad copies. So anything related to that, for you it will, people who are into good and people who are very good in English and Kannada, any language, if they can create their bring some creativity and nativity in the content, and if they can catch people's mind and can sell some product, so those people have got great benefit and huge opportunity after COVID-19. Why? Because now every company, every industry is getting shifted from their activities from traditional to digital. So basically anything that get transformed from traditional to digital is basically they have their online presence, and having online presence, and you can show your online presence either by website or app or in social media platforms and YouTube platforms. So wherever you go, you need content. The content can be in any format. So copywriters, content writers, and people who work on content writing will be having a great demand. So I strongly recommend you all to improve your English skills and writing skills. And if you're really interested, this will be a high demand job in future. Next is digital marketing. So if you can just observe during this lockdown, even in this pandemic situation, we have seen ads on YouTube, we have seen ads on SERP page and all social media platforms, and OTT platforms. So whenever you see these all ads, basically there are some people who will be actively working on running ads. So that clearly indicates that digital marketing and connecting people or getting customers or leads through online platforms is a great business, and this will be there, and this will be a better opportunity for all the companies who want to get customers digitally and convert them as a sales. So this is a very best domain, and which is growing growing very fastly. So I strongly recommend that digital marketing can also be a great career opportunity. Next is online selling. So as we know that even recently Facebook have invested money in Jio, and they have got 9.9% stake. So e-commerce is growing, and small kirana stores is also getting tied up with JioMart. So just think, even small shop person is also planning to sell online. So during this pandemic situation, online selling companies did well. So e-commerce, so you can be a seller in e-commerce, or if you want to work in e-commerce companies, or if you want to consult somebody on e-commerce, or you want to freelance somebody into e-commerce, would be a great idea. So e-commerce, online selling will be a better career option also, and huge demand for online sales. And video editing and graphic designing, one are the same. So video editing is only for video content. A graphic designer basically work for every even a poster, banner creation, and also brochure, ID card, anything. It can anything, graphical representation. Graphic designer is must and should in a company. And if you look at today's market, online learning, online classes, training is completely coaching, online coaching is a great booming industry. So for them, everybody needs a video. Today Byju's have got 1.5 million enrollments for their application, is only because the creative video edited videos which are catching every fellow and they're registering only because they have quality video and the way they explain using animations and VFX. So that is really great, right? So just a video editing skills can get you customers, and video editing can also be used in digital marketing and that video can be promoted online by investing money, and that can get you again some business out of it. So video editors and graphic designers will have a great demand. And next is team management. So as we can see that already 23 crore people have already lost their jobs and last 70 days according to CMIA report. So this time when you get any fresher or an experienced person to a company, or if you're hiring, or if you're into HR and talent acquisition and people management person, so basically you will be having a great demand, because companies need somebody who can handle people and their emotions. So if you're a very good team player, then this company and these kind of job market or job sectors will be in high demand. And software development, I can tell you that full stack development will be a great area where it is you can see online that full stack developers are high. It's a high demand job, that it is like a full stack developer can handle front end, back end and database of any website. So software development plays an important role with full stack. So people who are into full stack development will be having a great demand in market. As we can see, everything is getting digitalized. So we can see a lot of companies they are getting transformed. Even the companies who are in tier 2 cities and non-metros, even those companies are getting converted, and even those companies are now getting shifted to online, even when they are having online presence. So that indicates that any company, any person or any organization think of digital, that indirectly or indirectly they are creating data, or they are they by their actions on social media or having online presence, directly or indirectly they are creating data. So today in this market, the more the data, there is a lot of confusion in the market. So solve this confusion, there are a huge demand for people who can analyze the data and bring some sense about the data. So that is why data science people have great demand in the market. So Power BI and Taboola and Python, some other skills can add a great value if you want to become if you want to pursue your career in data science. Data science is a great option for you. And automation, machine learning and artificial intelligence can be a great career opportunity for you. And sales and marketing, as these two people are king, sales and marketing as a face and base of any company. So any company cannot tell no for sales and marketing. So business to business and business to customer marketing and sales people who can take pressure and think that, and don't think that sales and marketing jobs are like pressure jobs. Think that it is a pleasure job. So people who want to have a good salary at the beginning, and if you can handle pressure and work with companies, this segment and area is a great option for you people. So sales and marketing will be a high demand job as always, and you can try for this. And training industry is booming now, as everything is online now. Online coaching, online training is growing great. So people who are interested to teach and train, and you want to create your own online courses, there are plenty of open sources where you can create your own online course and sell in the market. You can use Zoom, Skype and Google Meet to teach students and make money. So, or else you can also work with companies who are into training industry. So that is also a very good industry right now. And health and fitness is also booming going crazily, and even Cultfit, Healthify Me have started online training and online classes where they train you online and you can learn. So just understand that before COVID-19, people were not much worried about their health and immunity, but now due this COVID-19 have taught us health is a great wealth. So people who are into yoga and fitness or you want to pursue your career in fitness industry, so for those people it's a great industry, and I can strongly recommend this will be a evergreen industry forever, because nobody cannot tell no for health. And insurance, health insurance is one area which will boom and which will have a great demand in market. So I strongly recommend people who want to get into insurance industry, so they can, and I mean it might be in relationship, it might be in sales, it might be in marketing. In that industry there are plenty of companies. Better make sure that you have a strong, research about the company, then you can join the company. Insurance industry is a great industry. Then agriculture, so core agriculture companies or agriculture enabled services company, because 65% of Indian GDP comes from agriculture practices, so agriculture will boom always. And the last is entrepreneurship. So it's not a career high demand, but still, as Government of India is planning to self-dependent Bharat, so every one of us have to, in future, India cannot sustain only on Infosys or one TCS. India needs 100 small companies in different geographies. So entrepreneurship and help and scope and mentorship for entrepreneurship will be very high. So I strongly recommend people, if you are choosing, or if you want to change your career, or if you want to jump from current position, or you are a fresher and you want to start your career after this COVID-19, I strongly recommend these are the industries which you can think about and apply and just have a better career. Thank you all. See you all in the next video.